How to add tags to Tumblr post for more reads. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the pencil icon at the bottom right corner to create a new post. After writing or adding content to your post, look for the tags section and tap on it. Here, enter relevant keywords or phrases related to your post. Use words that describe your content clearly and are commonly searched by others. You can add multiple tags by entering them one by one. Adding tags helps your post get discovered by users interested in those topics, increasing your reach and engagement. Once you are done adding tags, review your post, then tap the post button at the top right corner to publish. Your tagged post will now be easier to find by people browsing Tumblr, helping you grow your audience. Now you know how to add tags to Tumblr post for more reach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.